Kaya hindi na congrats sa inyo. Maliling sa isa. Tagali yung papayan sa Eileen. Ayun nagpapayan si Lani. Umayo kayo magpakaral ni sa kagagawin sa inyo. Tapos sa mga visitors sa Bali, request po tayo yung atin next overhead was for the Guardian ID.
And threw his arms around my neck. Show me how you do it, and I promise that I'll run away with you. I'll run away with you. Dizzy edge, I kissed his face and I kissed his head, and dreamed of all the different ways I had to make him glow. Why are you so far away? He said, why won't you ever know that I'm in love with you, that I'm in love with you. Lost and lonely you, strange as angels, dancing in the deepest oceans, twisting in the water. You're just like a dream, you're just like a dream. Asleep for days and moving lips to breathe his name. I opened up my eyes. I found myself alone, alone, alone above the raging sea that stole the only boy I loved and drowned him deep inside of me. You, soft and lonely you, lost and lonely you, just like heaven. You, soft and lonely you, lost and lonely you, just like heaven.
Good afternoon. First of all, we would like to thank our Dean Lord for making this day a happy day, and for making such an event for us to meet together. We would like to thank also our parents, yung father ko, si Mami Castro, at our mother ko, si Leoncha de Castro, as well as the mother of Eileen, si Nanay Dina Francisco. To all our kamag-anak na nakapunta po ngayon, maraming salamat po kahit medyo nila yung team travel nyo. Nakapunta po kayo, maraming po salamat. Sa mga kasamahan po namin sa trabaho na Eileen, maraming salamat po sa mga suporta, sa mga kasiyan na ginugulong po sa amin. Hindi po kami magiging ganito kaganda yung mga preparation namin, hindi po dahil sa inyo. Sa mga tao na lubos na tumulong po sa amin, lalong-lalo na po kay Kuya Vincent. Let's give Kuya Vincent a round of applause. Sa lahat ng tutulong Kuya Vincent, we really appreciate everything. Sa aming mga sponsors, mga nilang, that's all I need. Sa secondary sponsors, maraming salamat. And sa lahat po na tumulong, lahat in any way or in any part na naging bahagi po ng buhay namin, maraming pong salamat. Hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala po kami ngayon dito. Yun lang po.